Okay, so I'm preparing to do a DIY project, and behind me is going to be the project. So you see this is Lath board. We've had this in 2 of the rooms, so we have a ton of it. And I'm going to do a like a box out wall over here with a shelf on top. And all of it's gonna be made out of that. So I'm using like 2x4s, potentially plywood, and just gonna build it out, put a shelf on top, and then line it with the Lath board for the finish. So yeah, I'll take you through and show you how I'm gonna do it. Okay, so I nailed all these in. I did 3 screws, one at the top, middle, and bottom. And this middle one is not even because I had to go off of where the studs are in the wall. So that's where this one's uneven. Next, I'm going to measure these, basically cutting them kind of in half. And I'm gonna be measuring from here to here. So I'm gonna screw them in here. And then I'm gonna do another one that goes from this board to this board. And I'm gonna do 3 rows of these all along here. Okay, so I got the first row done. I'm going on to the bottom row. And since the floor and everything is not even, I am putting these on top, underneath and then making sure that it is level. And now I'm gonna screw it in. Okay, so I got all 3 rows of 2x4s, and now I cut some plywood, and we're gonna put that up along here because the lath boards have like spaces between them and they're not perfectly straight. And so you'll be able to kind of see behind them. And I didn't want to be able to see the 2x4s, so I'm just gonna do plywood and then put the lath board and stuff over top of that. Okay, so I put in the plywood. It is 1/4 inch, so it's very, very thin, as you can see. And because it's so thin, I used nails to put this in. Everything else I used screws. And I didn't make it super perfect because obviously I'm putting the lath board in front, so you're not even gonna see that. And since the floor isn't even, I put these to lift it off the ground and make it level. And it also then goes over a little bit of the register, so that doesn't affect anything being uneven or anything because it's not touching the floor. So that is how it looks. And then next up I will put the lath board on, and then up here is going to be the ledge, which I will put maybe like a 1x5 or so on here. I'll measure it and see after the fact.